Graph 19, we want the domain and the range. So let's start with the domain. The domain, or which x's have values. We always will start left to right. So I'm going to start at the left. I have no values, no values, no values, no values. Boom! Right at -3, we finally get a value. And then it continues what? It keeps going forever and ever. -2 has a value. -1 does 0. So this guy, basically his domain starts at -3, and it includes it. So I'll put a bracket. And it goes forever to positive infinity. Infinity will always get a parenthesis because it's an idea, cannot be included. So there's our domain. Now, let's put it in inequality notation. I can see that this is inequality is simply every x bigger than or equal to -3 has a value. Let's say we struggle with that. Well, if we do, we can take this interval notation above and go, hey, here's -3, here's infinity, X is between them, alligators eating this way, including them, and we just take off the infinity piece, and right here's our answer. We do have to write it with the X first. There's the -3 on that side. The alligator is eating the X, so we must keep eating the X. So there we have it. Notice it matches him up. So there's your domain. Range. Range, we're going from bottom to top. I start at the bottom. I have nothing until I hit right. Boom, right here at a height of what? 0. So it starts at 0. And notice this does continue. It goes to the right, but it continues going up. So it also continues to positive infinity going up. Infinity is an idea, so it gets a parenthesis. 0. Did it include this height of 0? Yes, it was darkened right there. So it included, so it gets a bracket. Now I need to put this in inequality. Personally, I'll look at this and I say, hey, I'm at a height of 0 and I'm going up. So it's every y bigger than or equal to 0. I can again use the same trick I showed you earlier. Here's 0, here's infinity, y is between them. Alligators always eat to the right because the right number will be bigger, and it does include it. And I can just take this off. Right here's what I have. Put the y first compared to the 0. Alligators eating the y right here, notice. So I keep it that way, which matches what we have there.